Want to level up your golf game? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best golf rangefinders that combine accuracy, features, and performance to help you hit every shot with confidence. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. Item number 5. Meet the REDTIGER C01 Golf Rangefinder, a premium tool designed for golf, hunting, and bow hunting. With a range of up to 1,200 yards and 0.5-yard accuracy, it features 7x magnification, a transflective LCD, and 6 smart measuring modes. Enjoy added convenience with USB-C charging, a magnetic mount, and IP54 water resistance. Certified by CE and FCC, this rechargeable rangefinder offers both precision and durability, backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support. Item number 4. Introducing the Mileseey PF3S Golf Laser Rangefinder, a compact and reliable tool for golfers and hunters alike. With a range of up to 600 meters and an impressive 0.5 meter accuracy, this lightweight device measures just 110 by 65 by 38 millimeters. It features a monocular telescope design and comes in a sleek blue finish. Powered by batteries and certified by CE and FCC, the Mileseey PF3S is built for precision, portability, and performance. Item number 3. Introducing the REVASRI Golf Rangefinder, designed for precision and performance. With a 5 to 600 meter range and Mars 1 meter accuracy, it features 6.5x magnification, slope compensation, angle switching, and vibration feedback after flag lock. The in-view LCD display ensures clear readings, while the rechargeable Li-ion battery powers a 905 nanometer Class 1 laser for safe, accurate targeting. Built for durability, it operates in extreme temperatures and humidity, making it ideal for any golfing condition. Item number 2. Compact, stylish, and built for performance. The latest golf rangefinder offers 6x magnification, a multi-layer coated lens, and a quick focus system for fast and accurate flagpole locking. With a measuring range of 5 to 600 meters and plus 1 meter accuracy, it supports 3 modes including slope compensation and vibration feedback. Featuring a 7.5 degrees field of view, 905 nanometer Class 1 laser, and powered by a CR2 3V battery, it's perfect for golfers who value precision and portability. Item number 1. Introducing the REVASRI N1 Golf Rangefinder, a powerful and compact tool with a range of 5 to 1,000 yards and 0.1 meters accuracy. It features 6x magnification, manual focusing, and 3 modes including straight line distance, golf slope compensation, and angle measurement. With support for yards, meters, and feet, switching units is simple. The device is USB-C rechargeable, displays data via an LCD screen, and is perfect for golf, hunting, and surveying, all in a lightweight, durable design. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.